Once again, this time we have gathered for the legal structure discussion, legal studies discussion. So we have emergence of states firstly, but we have various philosophers, political thinkers who have delivered their definition. We have covered the two aspects. First is Aristotle and M. McLever, and now we will move to another. And this have phases, and these phases have to be discussed with the concepts of society firstly and its organs and its functions, which marks the emergence of state, existence of territories, society, collective web, fulfillments of requirement, and everything marks their own perceptives, and everything have with different philosophers, different political thinkers, their variation in point of views, their expressions, their late definitions, and today we will discuss them in this class. लीगल स्टडीज़, उभरते हुए भारत, उभरते हुए राज्य, उभरती हुई विश्व की संस्थान, everything marks the territory and government.
Again, I have written one word for you, that is legal studies, which we will going to learn. Firstly, this is legal studies. This is talking about your judiciary, law. But firstly, before moving to judiciary and law, we have to learn how this judiciary come out, how this law framed, how this society occurred, whatever was there. So I have written one word for you, society, which we have been discussing in last video and last session. We have written one word, web, and then we have written another word that used to say collection. Look, I have written it like this. It will be written in such a phase that it will going to discuss you with some another aspects as well. It's like collection, and this small connection leads to one phase which will going to classify it further, and where I have made these three society. Firstly, it will talk you about state, then it will bring you to nation, and that you marked with the word territory. And that even going to frame one political association. So that is your government. Look, we have said it web. Web is very small, so I written firstly collection small, but it marks you with the extension, and that extension brings state, word territory, nation, and government. And this will collaborate you with legal studies. Why? We will going to mark government organizations, which will be framing your other aspects, and this other aspects will discussing you with many another phases. So this government is politically organized, and this politically organization or politically organized factor will lead to you from this phase of the society, which is a web or a collection of human beings which are living in one region, and that region marks their state, and that is their territory, and that state's territory combined and collaborated frame one nation, because they are part of a huge state, and that marks you with the phase another elections, government. In democracy, in monarchy, the rules, king rule, queen rule, that is also generated from the web of the society. So ultimately it's society identity is state, it passes the control to nation, and then nation leads it to government. So hereby we are concluding it in this phase. So see you again soon with some another.
Hereby, once again we are discussing definition of state. We have discussed Aristotle, McLever earlier. Now the next phase, the variation of political thinkers have been assessed here also. It is Horace J. Lesky, who was a British famous political philosopher, and his outstanding contribution in academics have saluted this definition as a contribution in this definition of state, where he have delivered his literacy work Introduction to Politics 1931. एक स्टेट की डेफिनेशन जो आज भी एक हिस्सा है एक जीवन का, हमारे महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है, बिकॉज इट मार्क्स द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ टेरिटोरियल सोसाइटी and given the definition with the government and its subjects claiming कि allotment है physical area, एक region में उसकी government की supremacy है over the associations. And next one is same Aristotle, who have delivered that it is an association of families, villages for sake of perfection, self-sufficiency, existence, and with the uniformity of law and legal structure, same rules and regulations. Now we will going to have the identity of state in the thinking of the Salmon. He have said, quoted, stated that an association of human beings established for the attainment of certain ends by certain means, and the ends are being defense against external enemies. So he also focused on the society which has a relationship with the community itself. He focused that the society is belonging web of the collective sources of same resources. You have same means available to you, you have same belongings, and then you have maintain a peaceable and orderly relationship with each other. And then the community itself have a self-dependence on an interrelated relationship with each other. Even now the next philosopher is J.L. Berrelli, who defined an institution that says that it's a system of relationship men have established. In short, society is a web and they have connectivity among the securing objects जो उनके पास अवेलेबल है उसे बचाना है, मोस्ट फंडामेंटल सिस्टम ऑफ ऑर्डर को फॉलो करना है, सो द एक्टिविटीज कैन बी कैरिड आउट. सो एवरीवन डिफाइन दैट इट इज अ सोशल कोलैबोरेशन. State is a social collaboration of family, tribes, beliefs, ideologies, orders, supreme authority. Everything marks the activities have to be in uniformity. So in short, state is one region and collaboration where we have human life and that fulfills the requirement of each other. With the presence of them, they have the same beliefs, ideologies, political thinkers, they are connected emotionally, physically, intellectually, and everything marks the connecting point. And this thing phases of religion, region, then caste, creed, tribe, clan, family, everything marks the identity. Then the presence of the state marks the territory, and this territory brings out the concepts of government, and the organs of government came in existence like legislative, executive, and judiciary. So we will learn them one by one in legal studies. With a promise to see you again soon with next phase, I'm concluding it here.